Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the product here that came very beautifully packaged. This is from Mcgrath Labs and it's the Eyedols eyeshadow. So I have this here in the shade Gold Standard that I got in my September 2022 Boxy Luxe box, which that was an awesome box for me. So if you still haven't seen that unboxing video yet, that is up here on my YouTube channel. But I'm so excited to get to try out more products from Mcgrath Labs. These eyeshadows come in a bunch of different shades and they just sound really fun. They sound like they're going to be great quality. And this single eyeshadow here retails for $25. It comes with so many sequins in here. I feel like I should use these sequins for a purpose, but they're definitely messy. I'm already dropping them all over. But I love sparkle, so this festive way that they package the products, I absolutely love. But yeah, $25 for this little product right here. So I'm excited to play around with this little gold shade. Let's see, first things first, how it swatches. So this is a metallic shade. Ooh, a very buttery feel, and oh my gosh, it looks super opaque and bright. Ooh, so pretty. It's both metallic and shimmery, a very beautiful texture. It looks super nice. But I don't find myself wearing this kind of yellow gold shade all that often, but let's just play around a little bit on the eyes. I kind of want to see how this is first with a brush to get more of like a potential dusting of color, but then I'm sure I can build it up for beautiful opaque shine with my finger. But first, just going to pick it up in this fluffy brush and let's see how it applies onto the eyelid. Oh wow, it's very pigmented. Like even dusting it on like this, it goes on with definitely visible color. And it's pretty easy to blend. It looks very shimmery, which is so pretty. I kind of like this in the crease transition area here to give some sparkle to the look. This would be such a pretty highlighter or like an eye highlighter if the color worked a little bit more for that purpose, because I love the shimmer of it. And it is nice how you can get a little dusting of the shimmer to create maybe some more range in the look. It is a little hard to pick up on the brush. It's very densely packed. But it's really fun. I do like it. But typically my preferred method of applying shades like this is just with my finger. Pick it up and apply it onto the lid. Let's see how it shows up. Oh my gosh, yes. So it is fully opaque. It looks so foiled, metallic, so bright and reflective. I love that. Ooh, that is so pretty and fun. Like, if I did want to wear it all over yellow gold shimmer, this shade would work for it because you can get that full opaque color built up and then blend and diffuse it out. On the other eye, just for the fun of it, I'm going to go ahead and spray the brush and apply it wet and see if that looks any different or maybe just as bold and bright as it is with my finger. It's easier to pick it up on the brush now that the brush is wet. But let's see how it paints on. Not as opaque, pigmented, and intense as with my finger. You can see the difference. Applied with my finger, applied with the wet brush. I was expecting it to look more pigmented with the wet brush. So yeah, my preferred method for this is going to be to apply it with my finger. Oh, here you can see I'm able to build it up with the wet brush, but definitely quicker, easier to apply it just with my finger. But this yellow shade on me, it's just not very flattering. So I like this product, I just am not crazy about the shade. I just don't see myself getting all that much use out of this, but it was fun getting to try out the Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow formula. But if you've tried this in any other of the different shades or different finishes, let me know how they worked for you in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.